Good morning, dear teachers and students. Welcome back to English session where we discuss report writing. Okay, report writing is one of the major discourses in paper 2 where children can get good marks, good score. Okay, so children, here we have major discourses like biography, essay, letter, speech and report writing in paper 2. So before you make an attempt of writing on the paper, going for a 10-mark question, so you should first read the two, letter or speech or biography or essay, whatever. You will be given a choice over there to select one among the two. Okay, so you can think properly to which question you will be able to provide more organized points. You will be able to write in a very elaborative, organized, planned, where you can give more words, more thoughts, more expressions. That major discourse you have to select and write. Though you feel both the questions easy, you should first plan to which question you can give more of your thoughts. Okay, you think and write. So let's get into the discussion of report writing. That means how to write a good report, how you can score marks while you write a report. Okay. What is a report? A report is filled with facts and information. Facts and information. A report consists of facts and information. It usually contains answers to all the 5 W's. 5 W's here means who, what, where, when, why, how. Such questions are answered pertaining to a context or a situation. Okay, we generally have different types of reports. We have assessment reports, informative reports, survey reports, financial reports, annual reports. So there are different types of reports where the consolidated information is given. We in our exam consider the news report. The news report has a headline, an introducing paragraph, the body of the news covering the main questions pertaining to 5 W's and the tail paragraph or the concluding paragraph. Okay, so పిల్లలు న్యూస్ రిపోర్ట్కి ఒక హెడ్లైన్ ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత ఒక ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంటారు. మీ టీచర్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయించారు కదా, ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంటారు. తర్వాత బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద న్యూస్ ఉంటుంది, అంటే డీటెయిల్డ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉన్న న్యూస్ ఉంటుంది. సి కీ ఫీచర్స్ ఆఫ్ అ న్యూస్ పేపర్ రిపోర్ట్. ఓకే, సో న్యూస్ పేపర్ రిపోర్ట్లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి మనకి? హెడ్లైన్, బైలైన్, ఇంట్రొడక్షన్, బాడీ, కోట్స్, ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్స్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ మెయిన్గా మనం తీసుకోవాల్సింది ఒక హెడ్లైన్, ఇంట్రొడక్షన్, బాడీ, కోట్స్, ఏమైనా కోట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ హియర్ లెట్ us see what is headline here. Headline usually has 4 or 5 words. హెడ్లైన్ అనేది ఒక క్యాచీగా ఉండాలి, అట్రాక్టివ్గా ఉండాలి. ఇట్ షుడ్ అట్రాక్ట్ ద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద రీడర్స్. ఓకే, నౌ ఆ వర్డ్ చూడగానే, హెడ్లైన్ చూడగానే మనకు ఆ న్యూస్ చదవాలనిపించాలి. ఇప్పుడు రీసెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఒకటి చెప్పుకుందాం మనం. ఏంటది? మన మాస్క్ లేకపోతే 1000 రూపాయలు ఫైన్ అనమాట. దాన్ని క్యాచీగా ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? మాస్క్ పెట్టుకో లేదా 1000 కట్టుకో. క్యాచీగా ఉందా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్? హెడ్లైన్? ఓకే, సో లైక్ దిస్ your headline should be very catchy with very limited number of words. Next we have introduction or first statement. సో ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్లో we should say that who is giving the report, what is the report about, when, where, and all these important informative facts should be written in the first statement. Here children, first statement lo ekkada emiti ela anna questions ki immediate ga oka statement రూపంలోనే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేయాలి. ఓకే, next we have body. Body means here the detailed information about who, what, when, where, including all the details. Okay, so here first statement loni then headline lo unna information ne manam step by step ga elaborate చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నాం. Okay, you might have practiced in your classrooms. Same news information is elaborated at different levels. Okay, now quotes. Sometimes if we get any expert advice or expert say, or if we have any eyewitness అంటే ఎవరైనా సాక్షులు ఆ న్యూస్ దగ్గర ఉన్నప్పుడు what they say regarding the news, that also will record or will write in the news report. సో ఆ కోట్ని జనరల్గా వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పారో అవే మాటల్లో మనం చెప్తాం. అందుకని వి కాల్ దెమ్ కోట్స్. అంటే ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కామర్స్ పెట్టి సేమ్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన మాటలు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గానే రాస్తాం. సో దో న్యూస్ రిపోర్ట్ ఈజ్ written in reported speech, sometimes the quotes are shown in direct. Okay, now here you have an example of a news report. Okay, you can see different features of the news report. Headline, okay, see all the body, introductory paragraph, statement there. So a headline followed by date and place, then starting sentence, okay, place. So you will get marks for all these children. అంటే headline ki marks ఉంటాయి, మీరు date place mention చేస్తే marks ఉంటాయి, first statement లో marks ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ న్యూస్ రిపోర్ట్. మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్లలో డిఫరెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రావచ్చు. ఎలాగా, లైక్ రీసెంట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ సెలబ్రేటెడ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే festival in your school. Come on, give an elaborative report of your celebrations and ravachu. Here you have an example of Children's Day. Okay, see, date you are writing, heading you are writing, you are mentioning the place, you are giving introductory paragraph, then you are giving, there you can see an elaborative paragraph. Okay, in the same way you see here annual day celebrations. We celebrate annual day in our school. So generally the schools will have annual days at the end of every academic year. So those celebrations also we can show in the form of annual day reports. See there, heading and the first paragraph itself, it's showing the name, where it has happened and who has conducted, what are the activities being taken up, okay, and how the teachers and students participated. Every information is given. Dear students, here you have a model question on report writing. Please pay attention. Your school has celebrated Teachers' Day today. The district educational officer is the chief guest. You have honored your teachers, showing utmost respect and admiration for them. The district educational officer, a headmaster, and other teachers delivered their valuable speeches. Cultural programs followed. Now, write a report on the Teachers' Day celebrations held at your school. Another example. You are the student of a government high school. As a secretary of your school curricular activities club, you visited a slum area in your city where the people suffered a great loss of life and property in a massive fire. The students of your school rendered their services and material help to the victims. This is the context, children. Now, write a report in 10 to 12 sentences for your school magazine, keeping in view the following aspects. These are the points you have to cover, children. When did it happen? Who were the victims? What immediate relief did they receive? Who were the people involved in the service? Where and how did it happen? Who helped you? Your suggestions and reactions. Okay, so these questions if you answer by reading the context given, your report will be ready. In the same way, if you get the questions like this in exam, first try to read the question, try to identify the context and try to understand all areas of the question. Then organize the points in your mind. Give a good heading, first statement, place, date and any special question asked in that. All these things you categorize in your mind how to write on the paper. Then you go for an attempt of a report in your answer sheet. Okay, children. So, read well, plan your answer well, write it in a proper way and try to score good marks. Okay, children. So, I hope that you have got a good information about how to write a report and you have had an ample practice, enough practice given by your teachers in writing a report. Okay, so all you have to do is when you get a question on report writing, first you should read the question properly. Okay, read it properly. Okay, then try to identify the points in the question. All the points and information is given in the question only. What you have to do is to make or to arrange them in an organized way, supplying the linkers and all. Okay, so taking all the parameters what we have discussed so far, write a report writing in a very effective way. Okay, good luck.